Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can create the shapes in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, if you want to open the recent projects, you can also do that. But I'm going to click on the new project option here. And now simply we have to choose the videos that which video you want to use. For example, I'm going to choose these both. And now simply we have to click on the create option. So as you can see, after creating our new project, now simply what we have to do, as you can see, we are here. Now if you want to add a shape, simply we have to go to this tool which is called rectangle tool. Now we have to click on this. If you want to choose the different shapes, you can also do that, but I'm going to choose this one here. So now simply we have to draw this shape here. For example, I'm going to choose it. Now simply we have to draw the shape here. For example, I'm going to draw this shape here. So as you can see, now if you want to edit this shape, you can also do that. Simply you have to double click on this and you will get the editing options, but I'm going to the effects option. As you can see in the effects options, now we will get the edit tool here. Now simply if you want to change the color, you have to click on this option and then you have to choose the color. For example, I'm going to choose this color here. If you want to add a stroke, you have to make it enable, and now you have to choose the stroke color. For example, I'm going to choose this color and let's click on the OK here. If you want to increase the size of this, you can also do that. It's up to you. As you can see, for example, I'm going to increase the size. If you want to control the opacity, you can also do that. As you can see, I'm going to decrease the opacity. Each and every option is provided here. You can control it in your own way. So in this way, you can add the shapes in your Adobe Premiere Pro video. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.